I'd like to wish you all a happy and healthy Thanksgiving. This is a time of gratitude, and I am extremely thankful to you for being here and watching my channel. In my household, Thanksgiving is always a unique meal. We actually make something different every year. Every year we choose a country and we make a Thanksgiving meal based on that country. So we have a country, then we think of all the normal Thanksgiving dishes and we kind of incorporate it into that country's food. So this year we're celebrating Greece. So for Thanksgiving, I'll be making a turkey pastitsio. I'll be making a Greek cranberry salad and some sweet potatoes with some feta on top. And I'm gonna make some pumpkin baklava. And we're gonna round that out with some Spanakopita stuffing, which I'm gonna show you how to make right now. I just love Greek Spanakopita, and I'm gonna be turning that into a stuffing. I'm gonna start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a pan. I'm adding a chopped onion to that. And some chopped green onion. Let's let that cook. I'm gonna be adding 10 ounces of spinach to the pan. I'm gonna cover it for a bit and let it steam. I'm gonna remove the lid. Then I'm gonna start tossing the spinach around upside down until fully wilted. It'll take about a minute. Okay, you need to start with about 7 cups of cut dried bread. I bought the stuffing kind from the store, but you can just take a nice Italian loaf, dice it up, and cook it in the oven for a little bit to dry it out. So I need 7 cups in a bowl. Add that spinach onion mix on top. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of dill weed, a 1/3 cup of chopped Italian parsley, 6 ounces of crumbled feta cheese, and now you toss it up to absorb all that flavor. I'm adding a can of chicken broth on top and 3 beaten eggs. Let's stir that until evenly combined. Pour that into a prepared baking dish. You can cover and refrigerate it overnight, but I'm just gonna cook it right now. You cook it at 350 for 45 minutes until nice and bubbly. Spanakopita stuffing, it looks great. Whoa. Tastes amazing as well. Love that spinach, fun spices in there, but that feta cheese, that makes it extra good. My family said I should stop telling Thanksgiving jokes, but I said I couldn't quit cold turkey. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.